Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you.
Some people think that researching the past is a waste of time and money. We should instead focus on the issues of today's world. To what extent do you agree? Doing research in the past is prioritized by dedicating specific department to the same with a huge investment on it. Some people consider it futile as it is a wastage of resources as well as time. However, the need is to focus on current issues such as climate change, poverty, hunger which ruin the happiness and prosperity of the modern world. To start with the need to know the past, the investment in anthropology tells about the evolution of human beings, which is worth to know about it. The way humans survived in the past, the challenges they faced, and the strategies they used to overcome these for their existence. This can help to know the type of society where people lived, the lifestyle they have, the rituals they followed, etc., as it is crucial to understand the present and shape the future. For instance, the invention of wheel, world wars, slump can help the policymakers to make informed decisions. The importance of tradition and culture cannot be ignored as it gives unique identity to the modern world. This can help to be attached with roots, preserve the tradition and culture for the sake of belongingness and unity. The past literature was rich, so it is important to know about it and preserve it. For example, the time of Renaissance when the printing developed, then the information started to be restored in printed material, and the knowledge of that period of time reflects the evolution of printing technology. However, a lot of people in modern time do not have access to education, healthcare, employment, so they suffer a lot. There is need to help them so that they can survive happily and come out of their problems. This is the reason wealthy people open their NGOs, so that they can help others. We have many examples such as Gate Foundation which help needy ones in different ways. Apart from this, the environmental issues need the attention, otherwise nothing will be left for the future generation. In conclusion, I opine that the efforts must be made in a balanced way, and if required, money can be spent on knowing about past as well as the current issues. Both are important as the past is our heritage which needs to be preserved, and the modern man needs care if there is any problem to him.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.